So hi guys, how you doing? So today I'll be showing you what I'm preparing for the breakfast. So this is what I'll eat for my breakfast. So I have pumpkin and eggs. So first I'll start by boiling these two. Yeah, so let's put so naeka mayai kwa sufuria. Okay. So this are eggs. So kisha nitaweka maji. So tunaweka maji. Then after we are going to water, boil this. So let's do this. So these are our eggs over here. Now we're going to let this. Yes. So we are going to let them boil. So as they boil, I'll prepare this. So I'm going to cut this malenge or pumpkin into small pieces. So let's do this. So guys, tell me, what do you love eating in the morning? For me, I like non-wheat foods. So it depends on which day and how I'm feeling like. It's not like every morning I eat pumpkin, eggs, and so on. Yeah, so this is just one of the mornings I'm showing what I eat. Hebu niambie hapa kwa comment section, mnaonaje hiyo malenge? Niambie kama unapenda malenge ama upendi malenge. So next, we are going to put them in the sufuria. Yeah. Here. So we put them here. The next thing, we are going to add water like that. Wow. Then after adding water, we are going to take it to the heat to boil. Just put them to boil. So what I'm going to do, I'll add a little bit of salt in the pumpkins. Yeah, like this. Get a little bit of salt. So let them boil. As they boil, I'll be preparing my tea. So today I'm going to have strong tea. Yes. Chai ya majani, so strong tea only. Let's do this. So guys, this is how I'm preparing my tea. First, I'm going to put water in the kettle to boil. Like this. Close it. Get this. Connect. Then I connect it to the power. And now let's boil our water. Yeah. Now that's our water boiling. As it boils, I'll be getting ingredients for my tea. So let's check on how far they are, our eggs and pumpkins. So guys, as you can see, they are still boiling. Let's give them some time, then we'll serve. Okay, let's do this. So our water is ready. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using, or I'm going to use to prepare my tea. Here I have lemon. I have one lemon. This ketepa tea leaves, and we have cinnamon. Yeah, that's how I usually prepare my tea. So let's do this. So first I will remove, unpack this. Yeah, and here it is. So I'll put it inside the cup like this. Right, like that. So next I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of this. Like this. So the next thing I'm going to squeeze lemon water here. So first you cut it into 2 halves like this. You see? Wow, it looks nice. Okay, so start the squeezing. So you squeeze the other half like this. So guys, I had forgotten this. This is ginger. So let me prepare it. I also use it or include it in preparing my tea. So let's peel it. So the next thing you are going to do, you mix them together like this. You mix everything, huh? Yeah. After everything is mixed, now the next thing is to add water, hot water. Like that. Wow. And then you let it cool for like 5 minutes, then you stir. So let's check on these ingredients. As you can see, eggs are ready, and then our pumpkins are here. So let's see whether they are ready. Almost already. I think almost. Okay, they are ready. Okay, they are ready. They are ready. Wow, look at it. It looks delicious and yummy. Yeah. So now we can serve. So guys, let me show you what I've prepared for my breakfast. And let's do this. In a cup. So guys, this is what I've prepared for my breakfast. Let me enjoy. So guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel. This is Life with Karen. Make sure you subscribe. We are bringing many videos, many things. That's where we will be finding fun, life when you don't have. And if you want to interact with me, you can as well reach out to me. Life with Karen. So let me enjoy my meal. So here I have beans, eggs, pumpkin, and cabbage. And here is my tea. Now this is ready. Yes, let me test tea here. Wow, it's mwah. So guys, allow me to eat. Make sure you subscribe. If you are not subscribed, you guys, take us to 10k. We are on to 10k subscribers. Take us there. Make sure you just watch, subscribe, comment, and share. Please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.